Yeah, this movie I don't understand it. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review. This is Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And today, the latest BMX movie review is Kabitan. Not to be confused with Kabit, which is a movie released earlier this year starring Angela Morena and Victor Relosa. This one is starring Athena Red, Chester Gracia, yung lalaki ata sa... Sino? Yung lalaki sa Kiskisan. And we got Alessandra Cruz. So, Alessandra Cruz, siya ay yung sa Nurse Abby dati. So, we haven't seen her much. So, this is like her second Viva Max outing after like a long time, no? Ang tagal na ba after the Nurse Abby. So, paano siya papatas dito? Yeah, not so very good. Ang malala pa dito, this movie is another Playtime plugin which will suffer the -1 tier penalty once I give the judgment. So, yeah, pag may Playtime na plugin, bawal na dito yun. Di na natin siya papatulan. So, enough is enough and it's time for a change, di ba? Bawal na magpakita ng Playtime dito. Ayun. So, here on Taboo Tuesdays, we are going to review this original BMX movies. BMX nga pala. And we are going to try and judge them based on the segs, the action, and yung storya na ipapadala nila. And when I say Kabitan's story is not that strong, and the segs is also not that strong. Actually, ang bigat eh. Ang bigat panoorin ng pelikula to. Ang bagal ng pacing. I don't know what they're talking about. And ang tahimik nila eh. Parang nagbubulungan na ewan eh. Okay, so ang story dito ay kay Mika at saka kay Alice. Si Alice ay si Athena Red. Tama ba? Si Alice ay si... Yeah, Athena Red. Isa siyang mistress ni Chester Gracia. And nakilala niya itong si Mika na isa ring mistress. At yung pagiging kabit ni Mika is medyo mahina, medyo weak yung game. Pero nakita natin sa umpisa, puro seg sila. And ituturo ni Alice si Mika the road on becoming the best mistress possible. And until on that time that comes na masatisfy niya si Van, played by Juan Paulo Calma, eh siguro yun, perfection misses. Yun natin yung plot eh. I read it as Athena Red and Alessandra Cruz show us that true love is limitless. Alice, a depressed mistress, forms a deep emotional sexual bond with Mika, her neighbor, also a mistress. Then the inevitable happen, they fall for each other. Ayan, so every time na may tutorial, kasi itong si Alice kay Mika, unti-unti sila na-fall sa isa't isa. Pero, ang problema dyan, isang oras yung pelikula mo, and you kinda have to stretch out that plot. Okay? And di natin alam ang endgame. Abusado ba si Chester? Or something? Ano ba? Ang endgame dito magkakatuluyan si Mika sa si Alice. Pero ano yung conflict, di ba? Sino yung kontrabida dito? Di ba? Wala eh. Wala siyang interesadong kontrabida eh. Na, or yung magbibigay ng conflict eh. Ang masasabi ko lang dito is reluctant si Mika na magpaturo kay Alice. And in the end is tinutokso lang siya ni Alice sa simula. Di ko alam. By the way, if you like this review, I want you all to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Viva Max or only on Harriet VMX reviews. Okay, so paano natin mapupunan? So parang ganito yung yung dating ng ating storya. I have I am 5 minutes in dito sa review na to. I need to make at least 8 minutes to have this video properly monetized. And I'm trying to stretch it. That's what kabitan is all about. Kabitan, kasi nagkakabit ka ng scenes just to prolong the inevitable na magkakatuluyan si Mika sa si Alice. Tapos ay playtime pa eh, no? Yung sex dito is not that good kasi will they, won't they yung nangyayari. So yung unang session ni Mika sa ni Alice, naghubaran sila tapos nag-cuddle lang. Tapos yung pangalawa, may halikan na pero nagbihis ulit sila. Yung ganun, yung parang tayo mismo yung napipigilan sa sarili natin. It's something na it's really slow. Okay? To the point na yung best scene dito is 44 minutes into the movie, yung shower scene, and then they scissor me daddy ass. Yun. It doesn't have the fact na nire-review ko to madaling araw, in the middle of my shift, tapos nantok pa ako. Ayun. I wish they could have done more. Diba? More exciting parts. It's just Mika meets Alice this, and then nawala si Chester ng ilang binalikan ni Chester itong si Alice para gahasain, and then dumating yung asawa ni Van, yung tunay na asawa ni Van, may anak na pala, sinampal siya. Tapos Mika and Alice chose to blame each other kasi nagkakalokohan sila, and then the movie ends na they meet up in the restaurant. They end up being the couple, and then they have sex, and that's how the movie ends. Yeah, it's really basic. Napaka-basic, walang conflict. Yung conflict in-establish lang like that. Isang snap lang. Kinahasa si Alice, kinumpronta ng kabit si Mika, at walang pakondangan kay Van, walang justice is served. I really don't like this movie a lot, and it shows. Not to disregard these two actresses. We've seen Athena Red do her best para Luman, di ba? And then we've seen Alessandra Cruz do her best in her debut, Nurse Abby. I think wala silang chemistry. That's yung isa rin ko masasabi. Wala silang chemistry sa isa't isa. The relationship felt a bit forced, or the lack of the better term. And yeah, okay, we got 20 seconds to kill. Let's go towards our tier list. Okay, so for Kabitan, originally I was gonna give it an AW, but since we are giving the penalty for playtime. By the way, playtime nangyari dito post segs. So nagtalik si Athena sa kasi Alessandra, pero yung playtime is si Alessandra naglalaro siya, tapos lumabas si Kiskisan Boy, si Juan Paulo Calma. So imbes na nang kasama ni naka-playtime ni Alessandra ay si Athena, yung mister na kinakapitan niya. Kailan nangyari yun, ewan ko. I don't care. Okay, Kabitan, I would have given it an AEW ranking -1. I'm going to give it a haram. I'm not recommending it. Okay, next movie please. Oh yeah, by the way, I am pre-recording Mariang Palad's review. So I'm gonna watch it now. I'm gonna record the review now, but I'm going to publish it on Fridays, Fridays with Viva Max or BMX, Fridays with BMX. Ang dahilan kasi I'm getting feedback na na-spoil ko daw yung kwento because sometimes I watch movies in advance via BMX Plus due to my scheduling, and maigpit rin yung schedule ko this 15 kasi mag-midship ako. Then there's also the Mac data load. It's a lot of things that I need to handle. So ang gagawin ko is I'm going to watch the movie now with BMX Plus. I'm gonna record the video, the review now for Mariang Palad, but I'm going to schedule it to premiere at 3 a.m. Philippine time this coming Friday. Ayan. And that's my review of Kabitan. Let me know in the comments below what do you think of this movie. That's it. It's actually 4 stars sa BMX website. What the F?